Hello, my name is Kim Dae-hyun from RXO Strategy. Put our company, let me give you a brief introduction. Our company, from April 2021 through the National Yeating Center, I was assigned a supercomputer. Using that supercomputer, various technologies and developing products. If you see it here, our company will be in Salamanca, Mexico in 2023. Contreras launched a smart city AI research and development project. It was done in success. Vietnam also signed a memorandum of understanding in Hanoi, carried out AI research and development projects, and the domestic cloud trio KT Kakao NHN. These three companies have assigned supercomputers. I'm working on a project, and in the first half of 2013, the only one in Jeonnam, Guangzhou. It's a company that's been selected by the President's Economic Mission. In 2024, China, we have signed Africa, contracts worth more than 10 million in 3 countries. And now we're doing business. More than 700 technologies of IoT and AI, and supercomputer smart cities, quantum computer, and so on. We're working on it. Our company is Alxo Co. Ltd., a joint stock company called ALX. It is operating in a 3-company system. If you look at it here, at the Korea Industrial Technology Promotion Association. It is a company registered as a research institute affiliated to the company. Then, developing sorting solution technology based on artificial intelligence. Become an excellent certified enterprise and technical certification. Then I will introduce some of our company's technologies. If you look at it here, you can use LED. There's a handsome RXO, and then you see it next to you. Unoboard breadboard. It is a magnetic field sensing sensor through the magnetic field sensor in the LCD display hall. And then you see it on the ground. This is MQ7. And through temperature and humidity sensors, vibration sensors, ultrasonic sensors. We're collecting a lot of data. MQ7, for example, they're collecting this data with a computer. And the temperature and humidity sensor. And through the vibration sensor, measure the frequency. They're collecting data. And through the ultrasonic sensor, in and out of RXO, the number of people is measured by ultrasonic sensors. You can get the data. And if you see it here, this is a wall system called a recycling wall. In the stage of garbage collection, people directly. In the current situation of direct garbage classification, using this rehydration system, AI recognizes garbage so that you can automatically classify. We are developing our system, so if you see it through the camera here, I can recognize garbage through the screen. What kind of garbage? Using deep face technology, it will be classified. So the robot arm in front of you, it's a sorting technology. We are developing artificial intelligence smart farms, eye intelligence system. If you look at it here, illumination sensor and motor fan, LCD panel, and then you see it inside. There is also a moisture sensor that can detect moisture in flower pots. Through these sensors, when the flower pot is short of water, now on the right, the motor will start to turn. It's a system that supplies water automatically. If you have insufficient light or need to adjust the humidity, when the crab is found, moisture control is also automatically adjusted when the motor is running. It's a system that allows you to, now you see it here, because it has a moisture sensor, how much water, and then you can see it on the LCD panel. So if you don't have enough water, you don't have enough water. And tell me, good evening, I'm Woo Shengyuan, Chief Technology. I'm starting to, about the smart home section, let me explain it to you one by one. The first thing you see is the smart home parking lot. In this parking lot, for example, using ultrasonic sensors to detect vehicles. If the vehicle is detected, use the camera to shoot. This is the format of the web. And then you come back to this using flame sensors and temperature sensors, collect the current temperature and humidity. It's represented by the web. This device includes a laser sensor in such cases, using light sensors. It's a device that detects the human body. Like this. If you block the light, it is the current equipment in operation. When you come here, now in the case of this device, it's a device called Face Rock. This device is face recognition using deep face database. If you recognize your face, the motor is running. It's a system. And then what you see now is we use cameras to recognize people's faces. If you recognize your face, a system that reads emotions from the face. It was created using the Keras library. And finally, I'm going to introduce you to, we use media pipes to make people's faces. Recognize and specify the landmark of each face. After the mark is displayed, the bounding box of the face. It's a system that checks and outputs. Good evening. I'm Lee Dacheng, General Manager of RXO. I use AI models to do a lot of projects. I'm doing it. From now on, I'm going to show you a technique. The technology you see now is drone control technology. Using this drone control technology, we can use smart farms in other projects. Using UAV technology to control, we are developing and researching technology. Thank you. This is our company's strategy room 1. Our research team will focus on the research and development related to the project. This is where we're actually going. The branch manager will use the relevant technology. Let me explain. This is the boss. This technology is
using Jetson No.
It's a supercomputer automation system. It's a supercomputer automation. In this code, we use supercomputers to... I'm learning AI models. Would you like to come this way? The technology you see now, it's a flame retardant system using Jetson Nano. We learn custom data. Even these little sparks, as you can see. You can see that you are recognizing, using these technologies, we can, even in a narrow space, we're building a system. And then use different new technology steps to make the project. Developing. And then, as you can see, using the AI model, prediction of the incidence of dementia and it's related to the incidence of chatbot answer chart. I want you to do a project like that. In progress. Yes, our company. This is Strategy Room 2. The company's current projects, technology development. You will also command the progress. This is the command post. Yes, good afternoon. And the director of RXO Research Institute of Korea's Ltd, who is the boss of the Alpha team. Now I'm going to show you the technology that's under development. First of all, our RXO is developing its own chatbot. The current process, we used a model sequence model. Then the layers are stacked into LST layers and IMDb, based on the data. Now, model design, and I'm learning. This model is user. Is it affirmative or negative to say distinguishable models? Now it will be downloaded. It's 86% accurate. Put various parameters. 80% of the results of learning while changing. You can see that the accuracy rate has increased to 86%. The following technology. This is a model of perceptions of violence and nonviolence. It's a model of learning. The model uses the transformation mode of the touch vision module to realize we have pre-processed the actual and virtual violence data, and now we have learning code is being developed. Above, if you come here, this is the security system section of the burglar heater. If you see it, you will see it on the monitor in front of you. I'm calculating blinking like this. Calculate blinking. On the monitor, this man is blinking. I'm showing you, and then when you come so hard, there's something going back. It's a radar sensor. Put our ultrasound. They're going to shoot around. Now we can see if there's an object. So if you see it on the screen, when your hand gets close, the radar sensor is moving. This is the sensor that makes the gas. And then you see here, this is a light sensor. It's a theft detection system. If you take this paper cup, this is the system where the sensor rotates. And if you see it here, this is a RFID. It's an entry and exit detection system. You can put the registered card. When you get to RFID, the door will open. Facing an unregistered card, through the warning sound, I'll tell you, this is a kind of ultrasonic sensor and LED. On the ultrasonic sensor, the system displays a warning message when an object is detected by the ultrasonic sensor, and this is a smart door lock system using a 4-4 keypad. It currently unlocks with a voice prompt. When a password is entered, this was the anti-theft security system section. Finally, let me introduce our company's executive director.
Hello.
Hello, I am Hong-Gil Kim, the executive director. Our company is developing various products and services needed for citizens' daily lives based on AI convergence technology. As you can see, we are utilizing precision classification systems for resource sorting based on various artificial intelligence technologies, big data, and deep learning technologies. When identification data is sorted, the identified contents can be checked here and sorted accordingly in a precise classification system. In addition to these methods, we are developing solutions to improve citizens' quality of life through the development of artificial intelligence software in various fields, such as smart offices, smart factories, and smart farms. So far, our employees have explained various aspects of our company. The field of artificial intelligence has deeply penetrated our daily lives. Will continue to strive to advance and improve. Citizens' real lives based on AI technology. Anyone can come here to experience the new trends and flows of AI technology and the development of such technologies. Please contact us at any time, and we will be ready to meet you. Thank you. System.